In a previous video, we introduced the AI assistant of the Calculated Fields form plugin. This assistant was designed to support you both in implementing equations for calculated fields and in applying changes to your form's design. The initial version of the AI assistant was very useful since it performed inference directly in the browser, completely free of charge. However, it had one limitation. The models available could not be very powerful due to the browser's resource constraints. That's why we've expanded the assistant. Now, if you choose, you can run inference using some of the most advanced AI providers and models available today, such as OpenAI, Gemini, or Anthropic Claude. For users who prefer to continue with browser-based inference, no action is required. Activating any of the options is simple. Click the gear icon to open the settings window, select the provider and model you want to use, and enter your personal key. And that's it. From then on, your requests will be sent to the selected provider, and the responses will appear in the assistance area exactly as they did in the previous version.